What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to connect a phone to a 2018 Volvo XC90 using the Bluetooth. So, like I said, I'm going to be demonstrating this on an 18 XC90 in this video, but it will be the same on several different years. I'll be demonstrating this on an iPhone. Other phones would be similar. The first thing you want to do is go into your phone settings, go into your Bluetooth, and just make sure your Bluetooth is on. Now we'll need the vehicle either on or running, and we'll go over to our center screen. And there's several different ways to get to the screen that we need. Most screens have a little prompt right here where it says no phone connected that we'll click on. If not, just hit this back button until you get to a screen that does, or when you get out to the main screen, we can see it here. We'll click on that, and then we'll see the list of phones that are already connected. To add a new one, we'll click Add Phone. And the default here is it's going to discover my iPhone, but you can also click down here to make the vehicle discoverable and then look on your phone screen. But I'm just going to go with this one. So we see here, and mine's going to be this iPhone. Click on that. Now we're going to make sure that that PIN number there matches the PIN number on my phone screen, and it does, so I'll click pair, and then on the center screen I'll click confirm, and as you can see there now the pairing is done, and then you can set up exactly what you want to allow for it and how you want to use it. But that's it. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.